Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. Here's another request tutorial video. So this is for the AI artificial intelligent Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you like this drawing. You've asked me a couple of times to draw this. As always, I started by penciling this out freehand and then going over with my Faber-Castell permanent fine line marker. For the blues on Sonic, I used my Copic markers. I started with a phthalo blue, which is what I'm using at the moment, and then I decided that wasn't quite dark enough, so I went to an ultramarine then, and then I went over the phthalo blue with the sky blue. I just didn't like the colour that it was coming out as. So Sonic's a very iconic character. Certainly takes me back to my childhood, and it surprised me actually when the AI Sonic the Hedgehog asked me to draw this, and I realised that I hadn't drawn Sonic. I've not drawn an awful lot of video game characters really. Going back to my childhood, I used to love playing video games, so I think it's definitely something that I'll be doing. So if you've got any requests for any video game characters, don't forget to send them in. You can get hold of me on all of the social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Links to all of those are down in the descriptions below. Thank you guys for supporting this channel. It means an awful lot to me. You guys know who you are. You've been recently sending loads of requests and comments. I've all of a sudden found out that I'm really into manga and anime, so thank you so much Izuki-chan for testing me out and seeing if I can turn my hand to some of the anime. So it's been really interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It means a massive amount to small YouTube channels if you do subscribe and hit the notifications button. If you already are subscribed, thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video and share. It'd be great to hear from you guys all on Facebook and Instagram. Share some of your work with me. You can also get hold of me on my website, which is ihowtodraw.com. We're not too far away from the end of this drawing now, so it's sort of starting to take shape. I decided to go with a red background on this one just to make the blue stand out a little bit more, and that then gave me a chance to use my my Signo Broad. It's a Uniball Signo Broad white pen just to go around some of the edges of Sonic, around the ears, just sort of making it stand out a little bit more. I use a lipstick red for this, so this is a lipstick red Copic marker. Just want to say thank you so much again once more. Don't forget to get the requests in. We're almost at the end of this video now. It took me about 2.5 hours, so this wasn't one of my longer ones. There's a picture coming up in my final picture in a second, showing the Copic marker that I used. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. I hope you have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.